Button. So that's how you turn on your machine. Now, okay, this button guys, kay mo is yung AMF. Familiar with AMF? Amplitude, modulation, frequency. Meaning low freg, high freg. Low freg. Meaning difference na siya sa inyong duha ka medium frequency. Nato ba? Yes. So, Miss Arisata, you have your 2 kilohertz and your 4 kilohertz. Kailan ito ang 2,000 kilohertz? It is used for more of motor stimulation. So, if kailangan ka muscle contraction, that's how this is what we're going to use. Is-set in 2K, okay? But if invocation is set into 4,000 hertz, kailangan it's more of pain. Alright. So, if this is set into 4,000 hertz, plus ang buang AMF kay, let's say, ako iputang 70 kung AMF ha, pila man ako ang second medium frequency ni gamit. If I have the fixed rate of 4,000 hertz, nasa kuang, correct. Ang ako ang second frequency gamit ng medium frequency is 4,070 hertz. Get it? Yes. So, diba F1 minus F2, 4,070 minus 4,070 is 70 hertz. So, this is how we get the AMF. Get it? Yes. Miss, meaning wala dira giset ang second nga medium frequency? Yes. Right? Miss, how about this one? What's it coming on the miss? Now, this one and this one, this is what we call the sweep frequency button. Ang imong sweep frequency, for example, for example, guys, you have a 4,000 plus AMF ni mo is 70, right? If imo gani siyang is-set into, let's say, 50 lang, 70 plus 50 is pila man? 120. Meaning, mudagan ang imuhang current from 70 up to 120 and mubalik siya down. Miss, why do we have this sweep frequency man? Sweep SWEEP. Why do we have this sweep frequencies? Just so we can prevent accommodation. Okay, stagnant na siya ng frequency, so sa man, basta dali na ma-accommodate. So, Miss, what if iset na po siya into 60? Pinaman niyahang dagan. So, it is from 70 to 130. No? And usually, we want this good. Pero, nanapilaniho, you can just turn that into 0. Alright? But most of the time, kay, para di lang it ma-accommodate, we try to turn the sweep frequency. Get it? Alright. Miss, how about this button, Miss? So, this button is the square. Kani siyang 1:1, meaning ang iyang pag-sweep, gani, ang iyang pagdagan sa frequency, is like na siya 1 second rest, tas abrupt din siya 1 second musaka dayon into like here 70 up to 650 120, di ba? 1 second siya mo rest, tas mudagan siya up to 120 in just a second. So see, pas-pas yun kayo siya. So this is used for what? Acute, subacute, chronic. Chronic. Okay, pas-pas man kayo. Lokon pas-pas man sa chronic, di ba? So this is used for chronic. How about this one, Miss? 6 is to 6. This is the trapezoidal na pag-set sa imuhang sweep frequency. So how do we do that? So if ever galing up, this is from 70 up to 120, na siya 5 seconds nga rest before siya mo shoot into 1 second plus mo rest na po siya another 5 seconds. Unlike sa imuhang chronic na pas-pas kayo siya 1 second rest tapos mo shoot na po siya, 1 second rest mo shoot na po siya. Ano gani? So this one is medyo hinay-hinay lang siya. Kaya siya how many seconds of rest? 5 seconds of rest. So this is used when man acute, subacute, chronic.
Subacute.
We can use this subacute part. Alright? How about this one? If na naka sa triangular ni mga part, it is more useful sa acute. Why man? Kaya you have in this na 1 second kayang pag-up from 70 to 120. Unsa man? Ang imuhang pagkuan.
No!
Turn off. Don't panic.
Oh my God.